Hello everyone. As promised, I'm back with our second video, which is about preparing the documents that you want to send in the email to the professors. If you're writing to a professor in Europe, UK, or Australia, so you will definitely be sending an email to the professor with whom you're interested in working with. So you will be requiring an SOP, which is the statement of purpose, then your academic CV, which is different from the resume that we all have, and lastly your cover letter. So today in this video we'll cover only the SOP because we don't have a lot much of time for a video to cover all three of them, and the next two videos will be about different two documents. So as of now, if you talk about the statement of purpose, your SOP should answer why you, why this PhD, and why this university. So make sure it's a one-page document. Uh, Follow whatever font you would like, the professional one. Start with your academic journey or research journey, I would say. Say something about why you originally want to pursue this PhD. What is your actual interest? It can be a cringe story, and professors absolutely don't mind it, even they like it. Explain your research interests in that. Like, this is the hook for you, kind of, if I say. Highlight everything that is relevant to it, like any project you did, any publications if you have. If you do not have, that's completely fine. I did not have any top tier publications when I was starting. Um, any relevant technical skills that you have, mention about that. And this will be all about in your first paragraph. Then comes your second paragraph, in which you have to show that you have researched enough about the university, about the professor, about the research group you want to join, etc. etc. They should not think that it's a sample SOP that you're sending to each and every professor. It should be catered to the person and to the university with whom you're sharing it. For example, just go to the university website and see that whether that university is ranked due to which factors. Mention them in the SOP that this university is for X and Y famous, or the research factor is high, etc., and they've got this award, etc., 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 and that's the reason I am aspiring for this university, because my research area aligns very well with the research you are pursuing. Like, for example, if you're talking about the professor, so you can always say that I've read your recent paper in which you mentioned about sustainability, etc., whatever your topic is, and then you can say that it is aligning very well with my research interest. They should understand that you've read enough about them and you know what their research group does, so that they think of you as a potential candidate for interviewing. Then you can mention about, in your third paragraph, about the future goals that you have. For example, it should not end that you will be completing a PhD and that's it. No, you should tell about how you want to contribute to academia or to other industry, or whatever your wish is. You should write it down in your SOP. They should know why exactly you want to do this PhD. It will enhance your, let's say, employment opportunities in your own country, or whatever is the reason. Just write that down in SOP so that they know. So basically what I mean to say is, keep it clear, structured, as well as authentic. Just don't mention about your achievements, also tell how they made you what you are today. So it should be like a storyline for a person who's reading it. It should not be separate four paragraphs or three paragraphs. It should be a whole storyline. They should think in their head that what exactly are you saying is coherent enough. So that is the trick for the SOP. Um for me, I did write something cringe in my first paragraph, like that, which is true actually, that my maternal side comes from an academic background, and from them I got so much motivation to be in academia and make an impact, make a change with my research. And that's what I mentioned, and I can always share my SOP with you people if you want. You can always comment down, um, saying SOP and your email address in it, and I'm happy to share it in the email. I don't mind. So in the next video, we will be covering the cover letter and the academic CV format, which are other documents that are also to be supported when you're writing an email. Till then, see you everyone. Thank you.